In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add tabs to your Wix website. If you're looking to enhance the functionality and aesthetic of your Wix site, adding tabs is a fantastic way to organize content systematically. So whether you're a beginner or simply looking to refresh your skills, let's dive into this step-by-step guide to personalize the layout and appearance of your site. First, you'll want to navigate over to the Wix website editor. This is where all the magic happens. Once you've opened the editor, the next thing you'll want to do is locate the Add Elements feature. This feature is typically represented by a plus sign or labeled explicitly in the menu. This section allows you to add various elements to your site, enhancing its appeal and user experience. After clicking to add elements, the next step is to look for the box option. In Wix, boxes are basic building blocks that you can use to create structured areas on your page. After selecting box, you want to look for the option that says tabs. Tabs are an excellent way to compartmentalize your content into smaller, more navigable sections without cluttering the page. When you find the tabs option, click on it, and you'll see different styles and designs you can choose from. Select the tabs design that best fits the theme and style of your website. This might take a little bit of time, so don't rush through it. Make sure you find one that fits seamlessly with your current site design. Now that your tabs are on the page, there's more you can do to personalize them. Start by clicking Manage Tabs. This is an essential feature where you can duplicate existing tabs or add new ones if you need more sections. It's accessible and gives you the freedom to expand your website's navigation optimally. Next up is the layout. By clicking on Layout, you can adjust the arrangement to best suit your formatting preferences. Little tweaks here and there can significantly impact the overall visual presentation, so take a moment to align everything to your liking. Once your layout is in place, it's time to move on to the highlight feature. This setting lets you decide which tab is prominently featured, guiding your visitors to the key sections you wish to emphasize. After that, adjusting the space between the tabs and the container will ensure everything is neatly positioned, contributing to a clean and professional appearance. You can also adjust padding to add some breathing room around your content, ensuring nothing feels cramped. It's a small detail but essential for user comfort. Finally, don't forget about design and special effects. By clicking on design, you can change colors, borders, and backgrounds, adding your personal flair to the tabs. Moreover, the animation and effects feature offers dynamic variations, enhancing user interactions with subtle, engaging visuals. And there you have it. You've successfully added tabs to your Wix website. Experiment and have fun creating a site that's as unique as your vision. Until next time, happy building.